So let us understand this round robin games. So we have one that is called as round robin, and then we have another that is called as knockout. So in round robin, if there are goal differences, so let's say this is a question given. First of all, we can draw 6 by 6 data. So these two things that we can do. So we know that C has lost to Argentina 1-0. So in row wise, or we can say Argentina has defeated Chile 1-0. So AC, we can say this will be 1-0. When we talk about row, then the goal done will come first. Okay. So or we can say that CA, now the first goals of Chile, that will be 0. This team USA has played 3 rounds and there are only these 3 draws. So obviously 1-1-1. So it must have played the 3 draws with these 3 teams. Now if there is no goalless draw and if there are only 3 goals scored like this, then we can definitely say that USA, all the, let's say, win, draw and loss. So all the matches must be 1-1, 1-1 and 1-1. Can we say this? And we can assemble this data here also. So we can say that USA against CM and C. So this is CH and this is CA. So you can assemble this data. And we can assemble it like column wise also. This will be 1-1. This will be 1-1 and this will be 1. So some part of this particular table we are already getting now. Now again, what other data we can determine? Now always remember one more trick, then whenever there is a loss, there has to be a minimum of difference of 1. Means it can be either 1-0 or it can be 2-1. It can be 2-0 also, but the minimum difference has to be 1. Again, if there is a win, the minimum difference is 1. So that way, if we check this data, that is Argentina data, then there are 1 loss and there are 2 wins. And there are only 2 goals scored. So if there is a win, there has to be minimum difference of 1. So can we say that these 2 wins has to be 1-0, 1-0? It has to be, and there is 1 against, and that is a loss. So can we say that this loss also has to be 0-1? So we can put in Argentina, we can put that this is 1-0, 1-0, and there is a loss that is 0-1. Now in Mexico, there is one match won. So you can say that the 4 goals have to be 3, and there is 1 draw. So 1 goal has to be there. So 4, there is already 4. So can we say that, but it has to be 3-0, and this also has to be 1-1. And there are 2 losses. Can we say that there are only 2 goals that are left, that are against, and there has to be minimum difference of 1? So can we say that these 2 goals, these 2 losses also have to be 0-1, something like this? So can we say that Mexico is also sorted? So we can have 3-0, 1-1 and 0-1, 0-1. Also Argentina has already lost and it has to be 0-1. And that 1 loss is already gone. There is 1 draw, so that is 1-1. And we can just manage the other goals. So there is 1 goal left from here. Not any 1 goal, there is just 3-0 we are left with. Now there is no matches lost by Brazil. There are no draws here. So can we say that these losses, these wins, this 3-0, 3-0, this 1-0, 1-0 might be managed with some others, but this 3-0, 3-0 has to come here only. So can we say this 0-3 and 0-3, it has to come here only. And there are 3 losses. There is 1 draw, so we can say 1-1 here, and there is no wins here. So can we say that the remaining goals have to be, so 7 gone, can we say that the remaining goals have to be 1-5, that has to be the loss here. And because this 1-5, there is no wins in these columns and these all are sorted, so can we say this 5-1 has to come here only. And now this 5-1 has come here, can we say there are 3 wins here and 5-1 is already done, so can we say that the remaining 2 wins have to be 1-0 and 1-0. So now we can just arrange the data. 5-1, definitely it is beating Canada, so we can say Brazil is beating Canada 5-1, or you can say that Canada is getting beaten by Brazil 1-5. We can put the other, this child is beating definitely Canada 3-0, so we can put here 3-0, or we can say Canada is getting beaten by a child 0-3. Mexico is beating definitely Canada 3-0, so Mexico, Canada 3-0, or we can say Canada is getting beaten by Mexico 0-3. And we can put the other value. Now Argentina has already beaten Chile. Argentina cannot beat itself, so Argentina has to beat Mexico 1-0. So Argentina will beat Mexico 1-0, or we can say Mexico will get beaten by Argentina 0-1. Now Argentina, Chile is already sorted. Argentina has beaten Chile and Brazil has beaten too. So can I say that those two have to be Argentina and Mexico. So we can say Brazil has beaten Argentina and Mexico, or we can say Argentina got beaten by Brazil 0-1. So that's how we can arrange this data, and these two tables will help us solve the questions. So let us look at the first question. Argentina has not played against which of the following? So if we talk about Argentina, it has played against Brazil, Chile and M. So Brazil, Chile and M it has played. Canada it has not played, so our answer will be third option. So second question, what was the highest goal difference in one game? So we can already see that the maximum goal difference can be from this particular thing, which is 5-1. So we can say that it will be 4 goals. So let us look at this set. Now this set has already come in CAT, and it has come in CAT 2004. In the opening match, Spain lost to Germany. No match was a draw after each team played 2 matches. So there is no draw here. Again, it is visible quite clearly. It's all 0. Now let us again go the same way. So we had drawn 2 tables. So we can again draw 2 tables here. According to the technique that for a loss there has to be minimum difference of 1, and for a win also there has to be minimum difference of 1. So our target team must be that which scored the lowest number of points, so that it is easy to bifurcate those points. So can we say that this should be the target team? There are only 2 scored for the team, by the team, and 1 scored against the team. So can we say that there is 1 win and there is 1 loss? Now loss, definitely there is 1 goal, so this has to be 0-1. And if this is 0-1, definitely this has to be 2-0. So we can already bifurcate. So we can again bifurcate in the same way. 2-0, there is a loss of 0-1 definitely, and there is no draw. So draws are not there in any of them. So we have to just manage the win and loss. Now if we talk about the other games, what we can do with the other games? So definitely we can, our next team, target team can be Argentina. So there are 2 wins here, and if we look at these points, again there are 2.2 win, there has to be minimum difference of 1. So can we say that Argentina, definitely it has played 2 games, 1-0, 1-0. also, if there are 2 wins here, this is 3-1. So can we say that there has to be, so can we say there has to be 2-1, it has to be 2-1 and 1-0. So by common sense we can say it has to be 2-1 and 1-0. Now Spain has lost to Germany. So let us just take Spain, Germany, let's say this is 1-2. If this does not matches, then we'll go for 0-1 otherwise. So if this is 1-2 and there is next is win, can we say that it has to be 4-0? This has to be 4-0. Now there are 2 losses here. Can we get a 0-4 here? It is not possible because there are 2 losses. So 0-4 has to be here only. So can we say that this has to be 0-4 and the other has to be 1-2? Now also if we see all the other things, so 1-2 is getting sorted here, 2-1, 0-4 is getting sorted for this. But there is one more 1-2 here and there is no 2-1 that we are getting. So can we say this is not possible? So we can just remove this, that this should not be 0-4 and this should not be 4-0 and this should not be 1-2, and so we can just go with the other thing that we can take this as 0-1 now. So if Spain is getting losing 0-1 here, the other one has to be 4-1. Not 4-1, it has to be 5-1. So 5-1, now 1-5, we cannot get 1-5 from here. So 1-5 has to come from here only. And can we say that the other loss has to be 0-1? Now 0-1, 0-1, 0-1, we are already having 1-0, 1-0, 1-0. So can we say this 2-0 shall come from here, 0-2, and the other one has to be 1-2. And we are getting the goals also sorted. So this is 1-4, so 0-2 and 1-2. So that is all getting sorted, and there is. So now we shall try to fill that who is beating whom. So can we say that definitely Spain lost to Germany, defeated Spain, so that is 1-0, or we can say that Spain lost to Germany, so that will be 0-1. So Spain to Germany will be 0-1. Now Germany, definitely there is only 1-2, so it is definitely defeating South Africa, that is 2-1. So Germany is defeating South Africa 2-1, or we can say that South Africa is getting defeated by Germany 1-2. And if we continue, so basically we can say that Germany, everything is sorted. Now we'll start looking at Argentina, and we can say that Spain has defeated New Zealand 5-1, or we can say New Zealand is getting defeated by Spain 1-5. So Spain is getting sorted now. Two 0-0-2, there is only one combination. So P is defeating SA, that is 2-0, or we can say SA is getting defeated by P, that is 0-2. So we can say that SA is also done. New Zealand getting defeated 0-1. There is no other than Argentina because Germany is all sorted. So Argentina is definitely defeated New Zealand 1-0, or we can say New Zealand is getting defeated by Argentina, that is 0-1. So we can say New Zealand is all sorted. Argentina, there is one game is sorted and the other game has to be against P. So Argentina has defeated P 1-0, or we can say P is getting defeated by Argentina 0-1, and all the teams are sorted now. Now the next thing is that they are talking about some other rounds also. So definitely, first of all, now the rounds that has already happened, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 rounds. Okay, now the first round we can take any teams. So we can say that GSP we can take in the first round, and so GSP is gone. We can make another pair, AP we can make, and then we can make the remaining pair, that is New Zealand against South Africa. Let's A we take against New Zealand, and P we take against South Africa. So A against New Zealand and P can be taken against South. Now the remaining matches we can just put in the second round. So we can say G, the other match is South Africa, and we can say that A, New Zealand is already done, so A is matched with P, and the remaining two teams is New Zealand. Argentina is already done, so we can say New Zealand with Spain. So that way 2 rounds, that in the third round Spain S played against P, A played against G, and New Zealand plays against South Africa. Now if we talk about this data that is given here, now what are the other matches that are happening? We can say that this is SP actually. So let's say if we talk about SP, then SP has to play one match. So SP has played against G, it has played against New Zealand, it has played against Pakistan. So SP has to play in one of the round against A. SP has to play one against Argentina and has to play one against South Africa. Also, if we talk about some other team, let's say we talk about South Africa has already played against Pakistan and Germany and New Zealand. So South Africa has to play against Spain and South Africa has to play against Argentina. So South Africa has to play against Spain and South Africa has to play against Argentina. Now South Africa, if it has to play against Argentina, and can I put it here? Let's say South Africa, Argentina, but Argentina is already playing here, so we cannot put this set here. Can I play this here? Because it has to be matched with one of these two matches, because these are the 2 matches left with Spain. So South Africa now playing with Argentina. If I play, then South Africa is already playing here against Spain. So we can say this data given in this set is false. So that's why we'll just focus on the questions that are till second round, and we'll just avoid questions which are for the further rounds. So let us just solve this question. Which are one of the following statements true about matches played in the first 2 rounds? So we talk about the first statement. Germany beat New Zealand 1-0. So that is true. That is not true actually. And Spain beat New Zealand 4-0. Beat New Zealand 4-0. That is also not true. Spain beat South Africa 2-0. Spain beat South Africa 2-0. That is also not true. Germany beat South Africa by 2-1. Germany beat South Africa by 2-1. This is true. So we can say D option is true. Now let us just do the next question. The following statement is true about the matches played in the first 2 rounds. So this question also we can solve. So if we talk about Pakistan beat South Africa by 2-1. 2-1, no, it is 2-0. So this is wrong. A beat P 1-0. This is true. G beat P 2-1. That is not true. G beat Spain 2-1. That is also not true. So we can say option number B is true. Now, which finish in the top of the pool after 5 rounds of matches. So again, we can skip this particular question. And if Pakistan qualified, which of the other team that qualified? So basically, we can just solve the first two questions. So I hope this answered your query, or I hope that you've got to understand now that how to solve the question related to goal differences.